electrical engineering classes at San Francisco City College of San Francisco, however you want to say it. There actually is two colleges that sound exactly the same, and they switched the names. One's private and one's a state college, and this was the City College. That's not a private one, but basically they have two books later, depending on they updated one. Somehow when I went to class, I somehow accidentally ordered both of them. One was just a reversion of the other one, and they're almost exactly identical. Our instructor allowed us to use whatever. The students accidentally bought the first version instead of 6. All the homework assignments out of them were exactly the same, so he didn't care which book we got, and I don't know how I got 2, but I ended up with 2. And basic stuff, literally everything in these 2 books, these are college level classes. Everything in these books you learn in 6th grade. When I was in 6th grade electronics class, this was just near identical. Other than back then, we were just getting into, we didn't even have modern IGBTs at that time. I forgot what it was called. And I've been corrected because I used the old word, because I was used to the names of electronics from 40 plus years ago were different for some of the components today. So sometimes I would use names that I learned in 6th grade to today, and people would correct me. Oh no, that's not right. But what they don't know is on the original drivers for 3-phase compressors and stuff like that, the components they had now today they didn't have nearly 50 years ago, and they were using other stuff and just making them work. And so yeah, things have changed over the last 40-50 years, but this is it. And again, ISBN number, no, they covered it up because I got these used, so I got them cheap instead of buying brand new ones. There's no reason to pay $100 and some and $200 for books in school. You just get ones from the students from last semester that we returned in and get them for half price. All right, guys, I'll see you. That's it. City College, San Francisco, electrical engineering classes.